Fixing a very small hole in a wall? 1. Purchase spackling paste and a small putty knife if repairing a very small hole. Very small holes are usually caused by nails or screws and can be repaired easily and quickly with spackle. Small cracks between molding and trim can be filled with spackling paste, but it is probably easier to use paintable caulk, which is available at any home improvement store. Run a bead of caulk along for crack and smooth with a wet finger. 2. Spread a small amount of spackling paste over the hole with your putty knife. Do not put a lot of spackling paste on your knife. While it depends on the size of the hole, you will usually only need a small bit approximately the size of a pea. 3. Smooth the spackling paste out with your putty knife. The goal is to make the transition between the wall and the patch as seamless as possible. Using a damp cloth, wipe off any excess spackling paste that may have gotten on the wall around the hole. 4. Allow the spackling paste to dry and then paint the patch if necessary. Sometimes a hole is so small and your wall color is light enough that retouching the paint is not necessary. Subscribe to our YouTube channel today.